How to fix Windows Sandbox failed to initiate or failed to start on Windows 11 and Windows 10. When you try to open Sandbox, go to Windows Search, type Sandbox, click on Open, and such type of message appear: Windows Sandbox failed to initiate. Then here in this video we will bring you various workaround to fix this issue, and the first workaround is go to Windows Search and type turn Windows feature on or off. Re-enable Windows Sandbox. Go to Windows Sandbox option and disable this feature first. Press OK. Close the windows and again go to Windows Search and type turn Windows feature on or off and enable Windows Sandbox. Press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type services.msc and restart Windows Sandbox related services. Look for Hyper-V remote desktop virtualization services. Right click on it and choose start, and after some times apply a double click on it and choose a startup type as automatic. Press apply and then OK to save the changes. Again, under turn Windows feature on or off, some other features you must enable. Look for virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platform. You must ensure that both the options should enabled. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated OS operating system may be a cause of Windows Sandbox fail to start. So download and install Windows latest update on your system. The next workaround is again go to Windows run command box, type rstrey to perform a system restore on your system. Click on next, or you may choose another restore point. So choose a different restore point and click on next, choose a restore point. So more restore points, you may choose another restore point and click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. That's all.